Okay, when you guys are using this tool, you'll see that this portion of it gives you the ability to move the arms both in and all the way out. So today we're going to start here with the threaded rod, basically flush with the body of the strong back, setting it in 90 degrees to the camshaft. So we're going to tighten down the axial bolt until you can no longer tighten it by hand. Both the arms all the way up against the bottom of the body. We're going to thread in the threaded rod. Simply and easily to be able to pull the impeller out.